Is your Ninja Swirl running, but the creamerizer paddle isn't spinning? No mix, no motion, just silence? Here's how to get it moving again, without damaging the machine. Step 1. Make sure the pint is fully seated in the bowl. If the container isn't flat against the bottom, the paddle can't rotate. Lift the lid, reposition the pint, and make sure it's level and centered. Step 2. Check for frozen solid mix blocking the paddle. If your base is too hard, the paddle may stall. Let the pint sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. Step 3. Inspect the paddle for food debris or stuck ingredients. Remove the swirl press and paddle, then check for any buildup under or around the blade. Clean thoroughly. Even soft mix-ins can harden and block movement. Step 4. Ensure the swirl press is fully locked in place. If the swirl press or lid is misaligned, the paddle won't engage with the drive pin. Reassemble carefully and press the handle down until it clicks. Step 5. Reset the machine before retrying. Unplug for 60 seconds, then reassemble everything slowly and power back on. Try the cycle again and listen for paddle movement. Still no spin? The motor, drive pin, or internal connection may be worn or misaligned. Use the Ninja support link in the description if you suspect a deeper hardware issue. If this helped you get your paddle moving again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for real fixes without the fluff. And if you're cleaning off stuck mix or hardening debris, we've linked a food-safe brush set in the description that works great for the paddle area. Thanks for watching and keep it spinning smooth.